Aquaphor Lip Repair Stick, Lip Protectant, Moisturizing Lip Balm Multipack, 2-count, pack of 1. Dermatologist Recommended. Aquaphor is the #1 dermatologist recommended lip care brand. Relieves and soothes. Aquaphor Lip Repair Stick is clinically proven to relieve dryness and soothe chapped, cracked lips. Nourishing Formula. This lip repair balm is formulated with a special combination of nourishing vitamins, moisturizers, shea butter, and jojoba oil. Free of. Aquaphor Lip Balm for chapped lips is fragrance-free and paraben-free, and helps prevent dryness for long-lasting moisture. Lip Balm Pack includes 2 0.17-ounce sticks of Aquaphor Lip Repair Lip Balm. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. There's not a flavor or much a scent, but the way this healed my very dry lips has saved my life. They were so crackly since I live in a very dry cold climate, and it healed them within minutes. Worth it.